Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Daily Trader. I'm Kevin Hincks. I've got two paper money trades for you today on two high-profile names. We'll look at Nvidia ahead of their GTC conference the next couple days in San Jose, and then we'll look at Apple, a stock that has sold off pretty significantly from its recent highs and is trying to firm up around these levels. So let's get right to it. Nvidia, a big week for Nvidia, as you know, as their GTC conference, their GPU conference going on in San Jose. Jensen Huang will do the keynote address tomorrow, March 18th, around 1 p.m. Eastern time, if you want to put that on your calendar. The average move, average, doesn't mean this year. It has no indication of what it's going to do this year, but Nvidia tends to move during this conference. So, in that case, because of that, we're looking at a diagonal, and both trades today a little similar in terms of their dates. So buying the April 4th, 123 call, kind of it was at the money a few moments ago. Nvidia is actually down $1 now. It was up $1.50 early this morning, but we're buying the 123 call and then selling the March 21st 130 call, so a $7 wide call diagonal in Nvidia. Out, April 4th is 18 days, and then 4 days is the time frame on this trade. The debit that we put it in, 460, probably trading less than that. It's trading around 410, so about a $0.50 lower than it was looking right when the market opened. So this is one way a trader can look at this name. Buying the 123 call in April 4th, selling the March 21st 130 call. Look at the move for this week expected around $7.80. That lines up, when it was 122, 123, that lines up pretty close there. It's a little bit off now, but you can adjust the strikes if you want. But the 123, 130 call diagonal is trading for about 410, between 410 and 420. That, the debit paid, is the risk on this trade. Okay, there's our first one. Now, second one, Apple. Apple, as you know, this stock has sold off down from its highs of almost $260, down now around $213. It's basically unchanged on the day-to-day. So Apple, a very similar trade that we looked at, a call diagonal in Apple. April 4th, March 21st, buying the 215, selling the 220. Now, it's interesting. Something to think about. The move for this week is $7.90, $8. But remember, you can challenge a trade like this to move up towards the we have the 120, 215, 220. This is something a trader might consider. You can challenge it by going inside that expected move of about $7.20. So even though we have a $5 diagonal, it's trading right now. We put it in at 445. It's trading about 440, 435, right around that area right now. But this is a trade that you're looking for moves towards the short strike. The risk on the trade is the debit paid. You're looking for a move towards 130 in Nvidia and 220 in Apple, slightly higher than where they are now. Both trades are in April 4th, March 21st, so 4 days and 18 days, and both are, the risk on each trade is the debit paid. So call diagonals is the theme for today's show, and we're looking for movement up during the Nvidia GPU conference and a slight recovery in Apple as they start to talk about iPhone 17 coming up. So that's our show for today, everyone. Have a great day and a great afternoon. We'll see you tomorrow with another edition of the Daily Trader. I'm Kevin Hincks.